Let's take a look at the sutures of the skull. Here we can see the coronal suture. It divides the frontal bone from the two parietal bones. Visible here is the sagittal suture. It divides the two parietal bones from each other. At this point, we see the bregma. This is the location of the junction of the coronal suture with the sagittal suture. Looking posteriorly, we have the lambdoid suture. It divides the occipital bone from the two parietal bones. In this area, we have the lambda, which is the junction of the sagittal suture with the lambdoid suture. Here we have the squamous suture. It divides the temporal bone from the parietal bone. We can also see the occipitomastoid suture and the parietomastoid suture. Here is the mastoid process. Here, we can see the asterion, which is the location of the junction of the occipital bone, the parietal bone, and the temporal bone. Visible in here, we have the pterion. This is an important landmark because the anterior branch of the middle meningeal artery passes through it. This is also the junction of the frontal bone with the parietal bone, with the squamous part of the temporal bone, and the greater ring of sphenoid.